Introducing the intriguing Tower of Babel, a symbol of humanity's ambition and divine retribution. This biblical structure is reputed to have touched the heavens, yet its existence is hotly debated among historians and theologians. Was it real or just a myth? Join us as we explore the enigmatic history of the Tower of Babel, from its inception to the controversy surrounding its reality. The Tower of Babel wasn't just an architectural marvel, but a symbol of unity and ambition for humankind. In the heart of ancient Mesopotamia, a land of fertile plains and blistering sun, a monument to human aspiration began to rise. This was the land of Babylon, a city of unprecedented grandeur and the birthplace of the legendary Tower of Babel. The creation of the tower is steeped in biblical lore. The book of Genesis describes a united humanity speaking a single language who settled in the land of Shinar, modern-day southern Iraq. Here they endeavored to build a tower tall enough to reach the heavens, a testament to their collective strength and shared ambition. It was King Nimrod, a mighty hunter before the Lord, who is said to have ordered the construction of this colossal structure. Nimrod was a ruler of extraordinary power, his kingdom stretching across the breadth of Mesopotamia. His reign marked a time of prosperity and advancement, with Babylon at the epicenter of cultural and intellectual exchange. The Tower of Babel was conceived not merely as a demonstration of architectural prowess, but as a unifying endeavor. It was to be a beacon of human achievement, a symbol of unity, and a testament to the indomitable spirit of mankind. The people of Babylon, driven by a shared vision, worked tirelessly, brick by brick, layer by layer, striving to bridge the gap between the earth and the heavens. Babylon, during this epoch, was a vibrant city, teeming with life. Its society was a rich tapestry woven with threads of diverse cultures, languages, and traditions. It was a hub of commerce and a crucible of ideas, where scholars, merchants, and artisans thronged the bustling streets, their lives intertwined with the rise of the tower. But such unity and ambition came with a price, leading to the tower's destruction. In the next chapter, we delve into the downfall of this monumental structure and the dispersion of humankind. But for now, let's bask in the glory of the tower's inception, a testament to the audacity of human ambition and the power of unity. A tower reaching the heavens was seen as a threat by the divine, leading to its downfall. The tower, a symbol of mankind's ambition and unity, was not looked upon favorably by the heavens. According to ancient texts, it was the audacity of its builders to challenge the divine order that led to its demise. Let's delve into these narratives, the ones that tell of destruction and dispersion. The Bible, specifically the book of Genesis, provides a vivid account of the tower's downfall. It was said that all of humanity, united by a single language, sought to construct a tower so high it would reach the heavens. This act of defiance was seen as a direct challenge to the divine. The heavens responded by creating confusion amongst the builders. Suddenly, their unified language fractured into a myriad of tongues. Unable to communicate, the construction halted. This event, known as the confusion of languages, marked the end of the tower's construction and the start of linguistic diversity. With their unity shattered, people dispersed across the earth, taking their new languages with them. This dispersion led to the birth of different cultures and civilizations. The once grand tower, abandoned and incomplete, was left to the mercy of time. The tower was lost to time, its existence becoming a mystery. Its towering presence slowly faded from the physical world, leaving us with only stories, legends, and a sense of awe about the ambition of our ancestors. Centuries passed, and the tower was reduced to a myth. But could there be some truth to the legends? As the sands of time swept across the land of Babylon, the tales of the tower were buried deep, becoming whispers of a long-forgotten past. Yet the relentless pursuit of truth by historians and archaeologists brought forth intriguing clues, suggesting the Tower of Babel was more than just a legend. The first glimmers of this astonishing revelation emerged from ancient texts. Historical references such as the Book of Genesis in the Bible and the works of Greek historian Herodotus hinted at the existence of a colossal structure in Babylon. These writings painted vivid pictures of a tower so high it seemed to touch the sky, a testament to human ambition and engineering prowess. The pieces of this ancient puzzle started to fall into place in the late 19th century when archaeologists, unearthed a site near modern-day Hilla in Iraq. They discovered the remnants of a ziggurat, a massive step pyramid common in ancient Mesopotamian architecture. The ruins bore striking similarities to the descriptions of the Tower of Babel, adding weight to the theory of its existence. Further excavations revealed fragments of inscribed bricks, believed to be commissioned by King Nebuchadnezzar II, the ruler of Babylon, in the 6th century BCE. These inscriptions spoke of the king's grand ambition to build a high tower as a monument to the city's glory. The discovery of these bricks, coupled with the references in ancient texts, painted a compelling picture of the tower's existence. The discovery of these potential remains sparked a wave of fascination and curiosity across the globe. Scholars and enthusiasts alike were drawn to the enigma of the tower, eager to shed light on its mysteries. Archaeologists continue to dig deeper into the sands of Babylon, unraveling the layers of history buried within. Each new find brings us closer to understanding the truth behind the legend, turning the mythical Tower of Babel into a tangible piece of our shared human history. The discovery of these remains sparked a renewed interest in the tower, bringing the ancient mystery back to life. The discovery opened up a Pandora's box of questions. Was this really the Tower of Babel? Scholars and enthusiasts alike found themselves embroiled in passionate debates, dissecting every grain of evidence with the precision of a surgeon's scalpel. Some maintained that the unearthed ruins were indeed remnants of the legendary tower, pointing to historical texts and architectural parallels. Others, however, argued that the evidence was insufficient, that the ancient structure could be any one of the many ziggurats known to have dotted the Babylonian landscape. In the midst of these heated discussions, the research continued. Archaeologists and historians, armed with the latest technology and an insatiable curiosity, probed deeper into the mystery. Every stone turned, every artifact examined, brought them one step closer to deciphering the puzzle. But with each new discovery, more questions arose. Could this tower truly be the one described in biblical texts, a symbol of mankind's audacious challenge to the heavens? The impact of this discovery on our understanding of ancient civilizations cannot be understated. It could potentially rewrite history, shedding new light on the technological capabilities, societal structures, and cultural practices of our ancestors. Yet despite the progress made, the truth remains elusive. The Tower of Babel remains an enigma, a testament to human ambition and divine intervention. Its story, woven into the fabric of our collective consciousness, continues to captivate us, reminding us of our perpetual quest for knowledge and our relentless pursuit of the unknown. The Tower of Babel, a symbol of human unity and divine wrath, continues to fascinate us. As we've journeyed through this narrative, we've unearthed the layers of history, mythology, and mystery that shroud this legendary edifice. Let's revisit the birth of the tower. Nestled in the heart of ancient Babylon, it was believed to be the brainchild of a powerful ruler, a symbol of unity, a testament to human achievement, a stairway to the heavens. The Tower of Babel was all this and more. Its grandeur was not just in its physical height, but also in the lofty ambitions it represented. Yet, as the tale goes, this very ambition led to the tower's downfall. The divine wrath was incurred, shattering the unity of the people and leaving the tower in ruins. The once magnificent structure crumbled, its remnants lost in the sands of time. Fast forward to the present, and we find ourselves in the midst of an ongoing debate. Was the Tower of Babel real, or just a product of imaginative storytelling? The discovery of remains potentially linked to the tower has fueled this discussion. While some argue that these ruins are indeed the remnants of the famed tower, others caution that there's not enough definitive proof. This debate is a testament to the enduring allure of the Tower of Babel. It's more than just a structure. It's a symbol of human ambition, divine intervention, and the eternal quest for knowledge. Its story is intertwined with our own, a chapter in the grand narrative of human history. So, as we delve into the mysteries of the past, we inevitably stumble upon questions about our own existence. The Tower of Babel, real or not, serves as a mirror, reflecting our deepest fears and our highest aspirations. Whether the Tower of Babel truly existed or not, it will forever remain a captivating mystery in the annals of human history.